Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking prerequisites and picking a provider. Make sure your client device supports RDP, Windows Pro, Server, or Linux with XRDP works. Next, choose Managed RDP versus Self-Hosted VPS. Managed saves time, self-hosted saves money. Once done, verify payment method and ID, then note the mandatory port 3389 TCP or your custom port. Now create an account at the chosen provider and collect the server region, RAM, CPU, and storage specs before proceeding. You now buy the RDP instance and set it up. Choose a plan matching your workload, more cores and RAM for heavy apps, SSD storage for speed, balance cost, and performance. When the instance spins up, set a strong admin password and enable two-factor authentication. Reserve a static IP if you require stable access. Then log in, apply OS updates, install remote tools, and configure firewall rules to open 3389 TCP or your chosen port. Make sure RDP service is enabled and set to start automatically. You finish by connecting and securing the session. Open your remote desktop client, type the server IP, username, and password, confirm certificate warnings, and save credentials only on trusted devices. After connecting, harden security, restrict access by IP, enable network-level authentication, and prefer a VPN for management. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Ping the IP, run a port scan for 3389 TCP, verify firewall and RDP service status, and consult the provider console logs for boot or networking errors. That usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.